Hello boys and girls. For today's lesson, we are still in Unit 10, the world around us, but we are focusing on adjective. Okay, and to be specific, we are going to look into comparative adjective. Okay, so before we start our lesson, let's have a quick view of our learning objective. So by the end of this slide video, you should be able to identify adjective, and then you have to write, you are able to write comparative adjective, and then you have to write phrases to complete the sentences using comparative adjective. Okay, so before we start, let's look what is actually adjective. Okay, so you can see on the screen. So there is a list of adjective given in a red font. Okay, you see this is adjective and this is comparative adjective. So adjective is something that you use to describe something. For example, big, tall, handsome, pretty, beautiful, purple, black, blue. So those are the words that we use to describe a thing. Okay, for example, a blue water bottle, a nice water bottle. So nice, blue, those are adjective. Okay, same goes to the pictures that you see around uh, this slide. Okay, so there is tall and she is tall, and but somehow this man is taller than her. Okay, and then big, and then strong, this one hot, and this one fast. Okay, now we see the adjective first. So fast, the comparative adjective will be faster than. Okay, if you look at this picture, there are two boys running. So both are very fast, but the boy with a yellow and green shirt is faster than the boy with a brown shirt. Okay, so the brown shirt boy is fast, but the boy with the yellow and green shirt is faster than this boy. Okay, so we compare. So when you're comparing them, you use er. You have to add er, and then you have to use the word than. Okay, all right, and then strong, stronger than. Okay, you look, this this man can lift a ship. He is strong. He is a strong man. So but this man, he can lift up a cow. So between sheep and cow, cow is heavier. So this man is stronger than this man. Okay, so we call it comparative adjective. And then tall, taller than. So she is tall, but this man is taller than her. Small, smaller than. Big, bigger than. Thin, thinner than. Hot, hotter than. Okay, if you can see, we add er at the end of adjective, and we have to add than after the word. Okay, move on to the next one. Okay, now you look at the pictures given to you. It's a picture of animals. Okay, number 1, giraffe are tall horses. Okay, so this is the one that underlined and being highlighted is the answer. So giraffe are taller than horses. So when you want to compare, you want to tell giraffe is much taller than your horses, you have to put T-A-L-L-E-R, and then you have to add the word than. Okay, giraffe are taller than horses. And then elephants are bigger than cows. Okay, now giraffe are beautiful than snake. Okay, for beautiful, we don't say beautifuler. Okay, so it's just a tip. If the word or the adjective is longer, it takes like 3 or more syllable, then we have to use more instead of adding er. So beautiful, there are 3 syllables to pronounce this word, beautiful. Okay, so we use more beautiful, then we have to add one more word before the adjective, but we still remain the word than. Okay, and then sheep are fatter than. So fat, you see, tall, big, fat, all these words are only 1 syllable word. Okay, so we just add er. Okay, next. So snakes are dangerous. So there are 3 syllables to pronounce this word. So we use more more dangerous than hens. Cows are slow, so the answer would be slower than lions. Horses are louder than giraffe. Okay, so you can see the difference between the usage of more and the usage of er at the end of the adjective. All right. So basically today, this is the task that you have to complete. For example, number 1, tall. The answer will be taller. Big, bigger. So if you're unsure of it, you can just pause this video or slide at any instance and you can refer the comparative adjective for each given adjective. And after that, for this one is the one that we have discussed just now. Okay, and then so I will provide a link to live worksheet for this task, so you can just refer to the description and then you can answer or complete the task on that link. All right, so I think that's all from me for today, and then I will see you in the next lesson. Thank you.